rolling.
Get your reaction on that GoPro. You're gonna be shitting bricks on that GoPro.
Oh, here we go.
Yep.
I have a travel blog.
I feel like we're frozen. Like we're moving, but it doesn't feel like it.
We're moving very slow.
I know.
I hope we get slammed to the side. That's the fun part.
Oh, yes.
And everyone goes, ah!
Oh, here we go.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, I'm
Look
tripping.
at that drop of water right there.
Whee! Oh, I think we're gonna spin a lot too.
Oh, that doesn't turn off, does it?
I think it does. I'm pretty sure it does.
Damn it.
It's supposed to turn off. We'll see if it actually works.
And Jonathan, this is like Holiday World shit.
Oh, man.
Oh. Little bit. Whoa. Oh. Here we
I
go.
told you we're gonna get soaked. And so are you.
Oh. This is my favorite rapids ride for a reason.
Oh god, oh my god.
Oh.
And the music.
I love it. Oh, here we go.
Ah.
How have I not gotten wet yet? Oh no. Oh no.
Why'd you say that?
Oh, fucker!
Oh, shit. Whoa. 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 Oh.
Ride this ride, you can spin it.
That's my ass.
Yeah, you can't spin it at this one.
Okay, it's like pouring into the boat.
Yep.
This thing is amazing.
Oh yeah, we all get wet on this hill. There's no way to avoid it.
We'll be able to spin it.
That's why I keep my feet up.
I tried.
Oh no, the squirters are working? No! That way, turn that way.
Keep rotating.
I'll double check.
Keep fucking rotating.
No.
One
No,
more.
we're all gonna get it.
One more. You fucker.
Oh god. It's like pulling up around my
Yep,
feet.
you ready? You ready to get soaked by that thing?
Oh yeah.
Ah, you asshole!
Ah. 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 I got splooged on. Ah. Oh my god.
Yep. This ride's
I
great.
love this ride.
Yep.
I'm so glad I'm not wearing my regular clothes to ride it.
Right? I'm Floridian. I'm used to getting soaked by either rain or the ice.
Mother.
This is
You'll
kind
be
of
okay. This isn't the part you get wet at.
I'm still gonna get soaked. Watch.
Yeah, not this part, but other parts you will.
It's Infinity Falls. Everyone gets
Here
wet.
we go. Oh god.
Oh, roller coaster rapids.
No, this is the roller coaster rapids that close.
Oh.
Oh no! Oh no! No!
Oh, it's gonna get me. It's gonna, oh. Oh.
Get next.
Oh, you get slammed to the side?
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh.
Oh, that went right in my ass crack.
I love this ride.
Oh no. Oh, this is it. Oh no. Yep, it's us, Jarrett. We got this.
Yes.
Nope,
Yeah,
no, it's not.
How?
Oh my god. Oh god. Oh Jesus. Oh, it's us, Jarrett. We got this.
Oh yeah. Okay, here we go.
It's fine.
Here we go.
Oh god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Poor guy. He's fucking drenched.
I love it.
There's literally a pool of water on my butt right now.
Same.
Well, here we go. Let's see who goes backwards.
We're literally taking on water in this boat. This is amazing.
Let's see who goes backwards. No, it turns. Don't worry. Here's where it turns, so we find out. All right, who's it gonna be? It's us. It's us. Woo!
We got you.
That means we're gonna get soaked all the way up the hill too. Oh no.
Oh yes.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Oh no. Oh no. Okay. It's nice knowing you, man.
Yeah. We're gonna get drenched. Oh god.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Smile for the picture.
Here we go.
Here?
Yep, it's at the bottom.
Oh shit! Oh my god. That's amazing.
I just slid.
I'm literally sitting in water,
Yeah, that's the point.
and that was why this ride's so great.
Yeah, honestly, my feet are not bad now. I can lift them up the whole time.
And just in time, I just ran out of footage pretty much.
Nice.
Uh,
Yay!
Those of you watching at home, please make better choices in life. Oh, look at it pulling up.
Shit. We didn't get my favorite raft though.
Rafty McRaft
Rafty
face.
McRaft face.
Oh my god, I could enter a wet t-shirt contest.
Is this the Busch Gardens water?